Today's I'll Try It For You item is Bobo's Oat Bars. Bobo's Oat Bars are a women-owned business. So what's the story of Bobo's? On a rainy afternoon about 20 years ago, Beryl Stafford and her daughter, Bobo, wanted something to do. So they decided to bake oat bars. And they were so good, they brought them to Bobo's school and everyone loved them. And then they brought them to local cafes and grocery stores. And before you knew it, they had a Boulder, Colorado hit. We carry a variety of them and I'm gonna try 3 flavors right now. First, I'm gonna try chocolate chip. Tastes like a chocolate chip cookie, it's delicious. Strawberry. I get a bit of the strawberry in that bite, delicious. Apple pie, I think it's gonna taste like Thanksgiving. I was right. They're delicious. Schnuck shoppers, you have got to try some of these. Thank you for joining me today on I'll Try It For You. And as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.